There are several ways on how it's possible to make money online by watching YouTube videos. But the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video is the most profitable of them all. Using this new YouTube trick will let you earn thousands of dollars online. And the best part is that you can even turn it into a passive income stream. Now, if you are interested in earning money without spending much of your time into it, then pay very close attention to every detail in this video, as I'm going to teach you step by step on how you are able to earn just by using your smartphone, computer, or whichever device you prefer. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. And the best part is that this new method is absolutely available for everyone around the world. So, whether you are from Philippines, Thailand, United States, or whichever country, you can also make money with this method. I truly recommend watching the entire video, as only this way you are able to start earning money once you have finished it. You can now continue watching the rest of this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. To show you how it's possible to make money with this simple YouTube trick, then the first thing you need to do is to go to youtube.com and then search, for example, full body workout. After doing that, you can see so many different and popular workout videos that have millions of views, like this one in here. Next on, you need to choose at least 3 videos, and then I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with them. You can just open the 3 videos in different tabs, like this. The second step would be going to this website, that is adfuck.us. As you can see, this is a site where you can shorten links and also get paid for the link you share on the internet. Here they say that you can place links on your website, forums, and more. And that's exactly what you will be doing, getting paid for the links you share. And to be more precise, you will shorten the YouTube video links you just picked out. And then I will show you how and where exactly you can share those shortened links and make money with them. Let me demonstrate how you can shorten the video link from YouTube with the tool on this website. Just go to the YouTube video you just picked out, and then copy the link by clicking on Share and to copy. Then go back to adfuck.us, paste the link over here, and then click on Shrink. It will then give you a shortened link of the YouTube video link. And once you share this shortened link and someone clicks on it, then you are able to earn up to $26. Let me now show you how much exactly you are able to earn when a person clicks on your shortened link. If you go to payout rates in here, then over here you can see the current payout rates by country. Now, if someone from United States clicks on your shortened link, then you will earn $26.25. Or let's say if a person from Australia clicks on your link, then you will receive $13.30. As you can see yourself, this is a very good way to make money online just by sharing your link with other people. Now, the next step you need to take is creating yourself a free account at adfuck.us. And to do that, just click on this button here that says Sign Up. Then you will see this pop up where you need to fill in some information, such as your email address and your password. And check this box here to confirm you're not a robot. Also, click here to agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy. Finally, click on Join Now to finish signing up. When you have logged into your new account, then you can see it looking like this. Over here you can see this message that says you have incomplete account information. To update it, just click on your account settings. You will be then taken to this page where you are required to fill in the rest of the information in order to start receiving your earnings. You just need to add your address over here. And in here, you can choose the payment method you want to use to get paid. If you prefer PayPal, then make sure to create the PayPal account if you don't have one yet. And then add the PayPal email address in here. Once you have filled in the needed information in here, then make sure to click this button to update your information. And when you scroll over to automatic withdrawal, then over here they say that enabling this option will automatically request payment each month. I recommend clicking on Enable, and after that click on Update Settings. Now you have successfully filled in your information. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I will now be showing you how you can shorten all the 3 YouTube links you picked out earlier. Just go to the YouTube video and then copy the video link. Go back to adfuck.us and paste the link in here and click this button. Now you can see the shortened link right here. And when you scroll down on this page, you will be able to see all your shortened links here. And next to that, how much money you have earned with each link. Now I want you to repeat the same process I just showed you with the rest of the 2 YouTube video links. Just shorten them by using this tool over here. Here is the next website you need to go to, and that is forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very popular site that thousands of people visit every day. Most of the people on this website are looking for ways to lose weight and also get fit. And that's why I do believe that this is a perfect place where you can share your shortened links, as that's exactly what people on this site are interested in. Sharing your links in here, people will get a lot of value out of it because those videos will help them so much. Now over here you can see the main forums. You will be focusing on this forum that is exercising, as it needs to be related to the videos you just shortened. And when you click on it, then you can also see that there are so many posts in this forum. On the left side, you can see all these posts that have been added by the members of this website. And on the right side, you can see how many views and replies each post has received. Now, here's a bonus tip I would like to share with you. I want you to go over to this button in here and then click on it. You can now see that there are so many countries you can choose from. I recommend choosing the United States. As I showed you before, if someone from United States clicks on your shortened link, then you will make the most money of it. And that is about $26. You can then start searching for posts that are about losing weight and exercising, and then reply to those posts with a simple text, like the one I just created in Google Docs. I just wrote a short description about full body workout. You can create your text with the help of Google. Also, make sure to add your 3 shortened links to reply. Actually, you can even add more than 3 links. And when someone clicks on your link, then you will automatically earn money from that. That's how easily you are able to make money with this YouTube trick I just showed you. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.